Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan, and here we have the Poco F4 GT, the newest flagship phone from Poco. It's 5G smartphone, and today we will have a very quick and very simple unboxing video of this model, Poco F4 GT. Okay, the first, let's check the box. Yes, so this time they use the classical yellow color design, and also but this time they also add some new element here. It's like some Kevlar. Yeah, it's a Kevlar material design, so makes this smartphone the smartphone box very different compared to the other models. So here you can check you can find the brand name and the model name, and here also a logo. And okay, here also you can find the smartphone brand name and also the model name. So it is 5G. You find the 5G here. Okay, so this time we have a Poco F4 GT still black. So this time we have the black color, and the RAM+ROM is 12GB RAM and 256 ROM. So this time we'll check it after we open the box. We will put the box cover aside, and okay, so here another small package, and then this is the smartphone. Okay, let's check what's inside this small package. Okay, the SIM card pin. Also, we got the transparent case, transparent soft case, and also we find the warranty card. Yes, the warranty card. Poco F4 safety information, also the quick start guide of Poco F4. So this is the stuff inside this small package. Okay, let's put it aside as well. Next, finally we find the smartphone, and before we check the smartphone, let's see what's under the in the bottom of the box. Okay, so here we got very decent, a very special design cable. The Type C. Yes, it's a Type C cable. So this is a Type C cable. Yes, but this time they just have a totally new design for the. I think this is mainly for the gamers, because if you charge a smartphone directly like this, it will affect the playing of the game. But if you change the direction and put the dot here like this, it will be more friendly for the gaming. So this is very very helpful design of the cable. Next, let's put it back. Next is about the big charger. It's a 120-watt fast charger. It's big. Okay, the charger is big and it's a bit heavy, so it's a 120 watts. Oh my god, 120-watt charger can charging smartphone very quickly, and no worry about the shortage of the battery. So okay, this is the stuff in the bottom of this box. Okay, so after check the other stuff in the box, finally we come to the smartphone part. So the first time I got this device, I just shocked, because it's the same design like the like the model they released last month, Redmi K50 Gaming Edition. So they have this very similar, I can say same design. You can see the design is same. Camera, the back cover, the buttons also. Besides except the OS is different. Almost other stuff are the same, but the appearance you can find the symbolic X design, also the lines are the same. Also the camera part, camera zone, same design. Also we can find the lightning dual color LED flashlight. Over here we find some special small verse, freezing and speed test. This is for the, I think it's for the cooling system and the speed of the smartphone. So the appearance, I will say, is a classical appearance design, like the Redmi K50. And also next we will talk about the processor, and this time the Poco F4 GT. You know, this is the flagship from Poco, so they also it's a 5G, so they also use the latest Snapdragon generation 1.8 processor. They support LPDDR4X and UFS 3.1. So the specifications is flagship specification, and also this time we have the 12 plus 256 RAM+ROM bundle. So it's a higher specification one. Other thing I want to mention is the Snapdragon is a 4nm technology processor. So it's the speed and the specification is higher, and also this time the screen is 6.67 inch screen. It's full HD screen and AMOLED screen, and also it have 120 Hz refresh rate. Also the camera is punch hole screen, and this is about the screen. So it's really a nice screen for the game and for the videos for games. Also let's go to the camera parts. Also this time they have a triple rear camera and the single front camera. The triple rear cameras consist of one main camera 20 megapixel and the one main camera 64 megapixel and 8 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel macro lens, and also the front camera is 20 megapixel. So for the camera system, it's also nice. Yes, it's one of the best camera in the market as well. So this is about the camera, and next is about the battery. This time they provide a big battery, 4700 big battery. Also, the things I want to mention is that they use a very quick fast charging technology. This time it's 120 watts fast charger, and I show you. I think I have already showed you the charger is 120 watt fast charger. It's smart, and I think you can charge this device from 0 to 100% during 30 minutes. It's very fast charging. So this is about the battery part, and next I will talk about the gaming part. Okay, so the next part is about the gaming. As we can see, it's totally a gaming related gaming design. So a lot of gaming, the lighting, the X element, the lines, also the buttons. It's a gaming design. So besides the design, we can provide some special features on this phone. Here is the physical L1 and R1 buttons for the gamers. So after we turn on this button, it can activate the pop-up, yes, the pop-up triggers of this smartphone. You can see, yes, it's very cool, and I think this can do a very good favor for the gaming lovers when they play games. Also, the screen is 120 Hz refresh rate. Also, it supports 480 touch screen rate. So when you keep playing games with the physical buttons and no delay and very smoothly screen, you can get very good gaming experience. So this is very cool for the gamers. Yes. And other things I want to mention is that this time the only different is about the OS, because they use the not the Chinese version MIUI. They use the Poco. I can show you the OS, because the Poco global, you find it the global one. It's not the Chinese edition, so the UI is different, and the icons, the buttons is different than the Chinese edition. And also the same thing is that dual speakers, and they can give you very good feedback when you play games. This is nothing I think I should mention gamers. And other things like the NFC, the side fingerprint, unlock fingerprint is also support. So these are very simple and very quick unboxing video and a very quick review video of this model, the Poco F4 GT edition. I think if you want to find more details, you can check the website and check the the purchase link to get more information from it. It is a flagship smartphone from Poco, and it's a 5G smartphone. They just released it several days ago. If you like it, you can purchase it. Maybe you can find more information about this smartphone. Okay, and thanks for watching, and let's stay tuned and wait for more cool gadgets from here. We will have a very quick and very simple unboxing video for you. Okay, let's see you later. Bye bye.